Welcome to the Wisconsin Vegetable Gardener. I'm Joy Baird. As spring begins to approach, it's time to either get your seeds or plan out what you're wanting to plant so you can purchase your seeds. We've got a seed haul, a small one from jungseed.com. They are a primary sponsor of Season 8 of the Gardening with Joy and Holly radio show. And if you'd like to order from them, they have a coupon code that will save you 10% off your order. At checkout, you'll use coupon code 10TG24. Now, from what I understand, that if you call your order in, you can also apply that at the time of conversation with a customer representative. So we just got a few seeds. We've got a lot of seeds. If you're a gardener, you got a lot of seeds. So we just got a few. Black Beauty summer squash. We need some more of those. Holly's going to do a goth garden on the porch. So we've got some flowers that are associated with that particular project. Cherry Rose Hybrid Sunflower. Midnight Rogue Sunflower. Another sunflower is American Giant Hybrid. That'll go in the garden. Just regular flowers, Gazanians, Big Kiss Mixed Hybrid, just for the normal flower garden, nothing special there. Bright Light Rainbow Swiss Chard. Delta Hybrid Summer Squash. King Arthur Hybrid Pepper Sweet. Elsa Craig Exhibition Onions. These are the big ones. They get pretty good size. We've had fairly good success with those. Nadia Hybrid Eggplant and Easy Wave Burgundy Hybrid Petunias. So just a small seed haul to add to our collection. Now, seeds are good based on what they are for a duration of years. Kind of like, for example, onions and leeks. Parsnips, you're looking 1, maybe 3 years at max. Tomatoes, if kept in a cool, dry place, you can get 9 years out of them. Each year, keep in mind, each year the percentile of viability goes down 10%. So after 5 years, you're looking at half germination. 8 years, you're looking at 20% germination. Keep that in mind. So if you want to purchase, you can go to jungseed.com, use coupon code 10TG24, and get 10% off your order.